everyone and welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to discuss about the future of engineering because most of my viewers are from 18 to 25 years and they work in the engineering domain. So let's make a video on future of engineering. So without any further ado, let's begin with our video. The future of Indian engineering education is going to be a lot different from what is in the past. This is because people are going to have an increased awareness of the role that engineers play in the society. In addition, there will be more opportunities for engineers to get jobs and make a decent living, and this is an exciting time for the students who want to pursue careers in this field. Basically, it depends on the technology. If we make an estimation of the future, the engineering which is best for the future are machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are the future of technology. With the increase in machine learning and artificial intelligence, more jobs will be created and these jobs will be in high demand. AI has been around for a while now, but it's recently that it's been making significant progress. The second is aerospace engineering. With advances in the space exploration and space travel becoming a reality, the future of aerospace engineering is promising. It has good scope and will increase in the future. Job opportunities will be mostly available in the airlines, air force, corporate research companies, defense ministry companies, helicopter companies, aviation companies, NASA, and many other space companies. It depends on how you define success. If success, in your view, is earning high salaries and very good job as outside is perceived, then yes, it is necessary to have engineering degree from a reputed college. But do we ever think how colleges get reputation? Is it only because of the placements? Then it's no. It is more about the growth of the college, faculty expertise, and student exposure overall. There are Tier 2 institutes who do not know anything other than placements, but Tier 3 colleges who is equally good in getting placements as they do in securing ranks in PG tests like GATE, which is one is better here. I also agree that students from reputed institutions are paid high, but the hidden reasons behind this are the exposure this college provides to the students. They allow students to take up challenging projects instead of buying them, allow students to explore more internship opportunities and decide by themselves what they want to do next. In all, they develop most of the students to develop individually. If you measure success with money as units, then yes, else no. Following your strides in the technology, machine learning and artificial intelligence, engineering students and graduates worldwide can expect to remain in high demand over the next decades and enjoy one of the lowest rates of the unemployment of any of the major sectors. Domain of engineer salary in India ranges between 2 lakhs to 17.2 lakhs with an average annual salary of 8.5 lakhs. The average domain systems of engineer salary in the USA is $168,307, which is equals to 1 crore per year, or $86.31, which equals to 7,000 rupees per hour. Entry level positions start at $118,688,000, which equals to 96 lakhs 52,865 rupees per year, while most experienced workers make up to $237,744 per year. I hope you have learned something about the future of engineering from the video. If you do, please give it a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till the time, signing off, Snigdha.